In this video, we shall take logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation. What is logarithmic differentiation? That is use of logarithm in differentiation. So now, question arises. Where to use logarithm and how to use logarithm and why to use logarithm. Now, logarithm makes a product, transfers a product to sum, transfers a ratio or division to difference and a power to product. Therefore, we use logarithm for simplification of product of many things, division of many factors, product of a function containing many factors, and the function consists of some factors in numerator and some factors in denominator, division of many expressions, or function power another function. That is where to use. For product of many functions or ratio of many factors or a function power another function. Here using logarithm, the product will be transferred to sum, the ratios will be transferred to difference, and this will transfer to product. Then we can do differentiation easily. Let us see how to use the ideas. Now let me tell you some basic ideas. Remember, log x base e and e to the power x. If I take this is fx, then exponential function is its inverse. And if I take this as fx, then this is its inverse. So logarithmic function and exponential function are inverse of each other. Therefore, log x base e of e to the power x is x in the domain, and e to the power log x base e is also x. Remember this idea. I can replace this e by any base. I can replace that e by any base. So logarithm and exponential, these two functions are inverse of each other. Now, if they are inverse of each other, so if I want to write y equal to fx power gx, if I want to use logarithm here, then what log y will become? Without base means I understand it is e. So log y will become log fx power gx or not? Base is g. And this is gx is m to the power n form, n log m. So gx log fx. This become a product. Now, if I want to differentiate this, then what will happen? Log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx. First into derivative of second. Gx into d by dx of log fx plus log fx into d by dx of gx. I can get dy by dx from this. Second way of approach is, if y is fx power gx, now I know x is same as e to the power log x or not. Now y is same as e to the power log y or not. What is log y? log fx power gx. Now log of fx power gx I write gx into log fx. I can get directly derivative. How? dy by dx will become e to the power anything का derivative, that is same thing. e to the power x का derivative वही होता है, same thing into derivative of thing inside exponential के ऊपर जो चीज है into its derivative by using chain rule. Okay, now we can solve function power function type questions in two ways. Now let us review this once again. Okay, look, we already know if y is x to the power n, what is dy by dx? n x to the power n minus 1. Mark here. In place of x, if I take fx, y is a function power a number. So what dy by dx will give me n fx power n minus 1 into d by dx of fx, or f dash x it is. d by dx of fx is what? F dash x. If I take y is a constant power fx or a to the power x style, then what is dy by dx? It is a to the power x. It is a to the power fx log a into d by dx of fx. ये पता है, derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. So a to the power fx is a to the power fx log a into derivative of fx. So this is about constant or number power function. But when y become a function power function, in that situation these two rules will not work. In that situation we shall use logarithm to do the differentiation. So वही तो logarithmic differentiation we tell that. So y is fx power gx. In that situation I can proceed in two ways. Number one, take log in both sides. So log y become log of fx power gx. Why? So I can write this gx into log fx. Now you do derivative. 1 by y dy by dx is gx. It is a product. Do differentiation and get. Then y to right side dy by dx you shall get. Second way is, we already know x is same as e to the power log x. ये चीज हमको पता है. तो y is same as e to the power log y or not? What is log y? It is fx log of fx power gx. Can I write e to the power gx log fx? So when y is fx power gx, same thing can be written as e to the power. ये आएगा पीछे, gx will come back, and here there is a log. You will write a log here. So e to the power gx log fx. Now I can do differentiation. Why? How? dy by dx is e to the power anything, same, e to the power gx log fx into d by dx of gx log fx. Now what is its value? ये क्या है? It is nothing but the value of y. But what is y? It is fx power gx. Next step में, in the next step, just replace this by fx power gx. You shall get the answer and do this differentiation. Over. So when there is a function power function, I can use logarithm or exponential and logarithm functions to get the differentiation or to do the differentiation. Another design of functions where I shall use logarithmic differentiation is y is product of many factors in the numerator and many factors in the denominator, and that total power and so many things. We shall take one example, under root. x minus 3 x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. Now taking logarithm in both sides, log of y, log of this thing x minus 3 x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power half. Now log m to the power n, it is log m, now it is n log m. Okay, it is half log this thing, log of something divided by something, log of this minus log of this, then this one is product, so I write this as 1 by 2 log. Okay, दिमाग में घुसा, 1 by 2 आया पीछे, m to the power n स्टाइल पीछे आएगा, log of न्यूमरेटर माइनस log of डिनोमिनेटर. log of न्यूमरेटर क्या है? It is a product, so log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Getting the idea? Now I will do differentiation. When I do differentiation, you see what I am getting? Log-wise derivative. 1 by y dy by dx equal to half. Log of x minus 3. What is derivative of log of x minus 3? It is log of x 1 by x, log of x minus 3 1 by x minus 3 into derivative of inside कौन है? x minus 3. x minus 3 का derivative 1 है. Plus log of x square plus 4 का derivative 1 by x square plus 4 into what is derivative of x square plus 4? x square derivative 2x, 4 का 0, it is 2x. Minus log of this thing 3x square plus 4x plus 5 का derivative, what is it? It is 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into derivative of thing inside 3x square plus 4x plus 5 का derivative, it is 6x, 3x square का 3 into x square का 2x, 4x का 4. Okay, this is 1 by y dy by dx. Then what is dy by dx? It is 1 by 2 y into all these things. Now write the value of y, you shall get dy by dx. Getting the idea? Okay, I think you understood. Very good. Chalo, let us go to our next example. Okay, ले लेते हैं और एक दो एग्जाम्पल. Yes, y is equal to x to the power sin x. How to differentiate? I can differentiate in two ways. दो में करते हैं. Okay, number 1, log y is log x to the power sin x. It is sin x log x. So now differentiate 1 by y dy by dx. Sin x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x sin x का derivative cos x. So I get dy by dx is y into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. What is that y? The value of y I shall write as x to the power sin x. My work is over. Method 2, I write y is x to the power sin x. This is e to the power. क्या बोला था? Power will come to left, sin x into what is derivative? What shall I write then? Then write log and base, that is x. Okay, y equal to x to the power sin x. Then that is same as e to the power sin x log base, power log base, power e to the power log base. Okay, now what is dy by dx? Direct e to the power sin x into log x into derivative of e to the power something, derivative is e to the power same thing, into derivative of the thing inside the function, that is sin x into log x. So what is it? It is x to the power sin x into this derivative. Sin x log x का 1 by x plus log x sin x, derivative is cos x. We got the result. Okay. Sometimes this will be very useful, sometimes this become very useful. So seeing the situation, we shall do problems. Okay, situation देख के हम तरीका सोचेंगे which method will be appropriate for me. Okay. Now in our next video we shall take more and more examples. Okay.